Hello Science Hub fans. Have you ever been mesmerized by a lava lamp? Today we're going to build our own version right here in the lab and discover the fascinating science that makes it bubble and glow. For this amazing experiment you will need just a few simple things: a clear plastic bottle or jar, water, vegetable oil or baby oil, food coloring, any bright color you like, and the secret ingredient, Alka-Seltzer Tablets. First, take your clear bottle and fill about 1/3 of it with water. Now, for the most important part, slowly pour the oil into the bottle until it's nearly full. You'll immediately notice the oil and water separating. Look closely. The oil floats right on top of the water. But why? This is because oil is less dense than water. Density is simply how much stuff is packed into a given space. The oil molecules are more spread out than the water molecules, so they stay on top. Now for the fun part. Add about 8 to 10 drops of food coloring. Since food coloring is water-based, watch how it sinks right through the oil layer and mixes with the water below. And finally, the magic maker. Break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into a few small pieces and drop them into the bottle. When the Alka-Seltzer hits the water, a chemical reaction occurs, creating carbon dioxide gas, the same gas found in soda. This gas forms bubbles. Since these gas bubbles are lighter than both the oil and the water, they rise, dragging some of the colored water with them. When the bubbles reach the surface, the gas escapes, and the colored water, which is still heavier or denser than the oil, sinks back to the bottom. This continuous cycle of rising and falling is what creates the mesmerizing lava lamp effect. So there you have it, a simple household experiment that beautifully demonstrates the concept of density and chemical reactions. You've successfully made your own lava lamp. If you had fun learning the science behind this cool trick, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Science Hub for more exciting experiments. See you in the next video.